Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Let's make the sweet and sour sauce together. So I have some chicken breast which I've cut into cubes, and I'm adding some salt, some garlic powder, and some corn flour or cornstarch. I'm adding 2 tablespoons, and I am just going to give this a good mix so that everything is well saturated and well infused together, because I'm going to be pan frying this in a bit. So I'm just taking some cooking oil and I'm scooping some of that chicken. If you notice, that is not all of my chicken. I actually did that in batches so that it will cook evenly and it will not be undercooked. So I just cooked it for about 5 to 8 minutes, just to your satisfaction, guys, really. So by the time it starts turning brown and you think it's cooked, it's ready for you to scoop it out. So I'm adding some more cooking oil, some onions in readiness for my sauce. So I'm just whisking the onions together, and I am going to be adding some garlic and ginger paste, which I love so much because of the taste it adds to the sauce. It's totally optional, guys, if you don't like your ginger or your garlic, but if you ask me, you should use it. Some fresh chili pepper is going in as well. Our carrots are going in now, and I'm just going to mix this together quickly before I add my bell peppers. So I use different sorts of bell peppers, the red, the yellow, the orange, the green bell peppers, for added color and for variety and versatility. I'm sure you're loving the color, right? I love the color as well. So let's just go into my sauce. I like to do this separately. I'm adding some dark soy sauce, some oyster sauce, some sweet chili sauce as well. I do this randomly, I don't have a mix, and some fresh lemon juice is going in as well. So sesame oil as well. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of sugar as well because it's sweet and sour, right? So lemon has gone in, and I'm adding some cornstarch too to make it all thick and to make this sauce come together. So I'm just giving this a mix, and I've added my chicken to my peppers and everything. I'm adding some black pepper and some chili pepper as well. If you don't like chili, it's optional. You don't have to use so much of that. I'm just giving this a mix before adding my sauce. I like to do this so that it doesn't like get also gooey and stick like that. I like it when it just does this, you get. And so our sauce is ready. Just leave it on the burner for about 5 minutes to your satisfaction, and it's totally ready. You can serve it with rice, any rice of your choice, white rice, jollof rice, anything you want. Absolutely is fine. It's really so yummy and tasty. So that's it from me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're going to try this sometime. Very nice, if you ask me. Thank you for watching. I'll see you some other time. Bye.